Hello friends, welcome to Smart Shiksha. We are going to discuss about Geographic Fact Part 3. Before we start the video, please share the video with your family and friends. Please do watch, like and subscribe my channel. Your subscription motivates me to do more such kind of video. So let's start the topic. Question number 1. China is a part of which continent? China is a part of which continent? Answer is option number D, Asia. Option number D, Asia. China is a part of Asia continent. Question number 2. The highest mountain of the world is in which two countries? The highest mountain of the world is in which two countries? Answer is option number C, Tibet and Nepal. Tibet and Nepal, highest mountain peak in the world. The lowest point of land on the earth is on the border between which two countries? The lowest point of land on the earth is on the border between which two countries? Answer is option number C, Israel and Jordan. Israel and Jordan. Next question. What is a continent? What is a continent? Answer is a continent, a large area of land partly surrounded by ocean. A large area of land partly surrounded by ocean. Next. Where is the biggest desert on the earth? Where is the biggest desert on the earth? Answer is Antarctica. Option number C, Antarctica is the answer. Biggest desert in the earth. Next question. Which capital city in the world is at highest altitude? Which capital city in the world is at highest altitude? Answer is option number C, La Paz, capital of Bolivia. La Paz, capital of Bolivia, the highest altitude. Next question. Which continent has the fewest people living on it? Which continent has the fewest people living on it? Answer is option number D, Antarctica. Option number D, Antarctica. Next question. Which continent has the largest people living on it? Largest people living on it. Which continent? Answer is option number B, Asia. Next question. Which continent has the most countries? Which continent has the most countries? Answer is option number A, Africa. Africa has the most number of countries. Next question. Which continent has the world's highest mountain? Which continent has the world's highest mountain? Answer is world's highest mountain. Option number B, Asia. Asia continent having world's highest mountain. Next. Which continent is the largest in terms of land? Which continent is the largest in terms of land? Answer is Asia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Next question. Which continent is the smallest in terms of land? Which continent is the smallest in terms of land? Answer is Australia. Next question. Which country has the largest population? Which country has the largest population? Largest population country is China. China having the largest population. Which country has the longest coastline? Which country has the longest coastline? Answer is option number B, Canada. Canada is the longest coastline. Next question. Which country is in South America? Which country is in South America? Answer is Brazil. Option A, Brazil. Brazil is in South America. Next question. Which country is shaped like a boot? Which country is shaped like a boot? Answer is Italy. Italy shaped like a boot. Next question. Which country is the biggest in land area? Which country is the biggest in land area? Answer is Russia. Answer is Russia. Next question. Which country is the densest in population? Which country is the densest in population? Answer is option number A, Monaco. Monaco is the densest in population. Next question. Which is the northernmost capital city in the world? Which is the northernmost capital city in the world? Answer is Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik is the capital of Iceland. Next question. Question number 20. Which ocean does not border with North America? Which ocean does not border with North America? Answer is option number C, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean does not border with North America. Next question. Which river begins in Minnesota and ends in the Gulf of Mexico? Which river begins in Minnesota and ends in the Gulf of Mexico? Answer is option number B, Mississippi River. Option number B, Mississippi River ends in Gulf of Mexico. And next question. Which US states touches the Gulf of Mexico? Which US states touches the Gulf of Mexico? Answer is option number C, Florida. Option number C, Florida touches US, the Gulf of Mexico. Next question. Which of the following state is the largest producer of nickel in India? Largest producer of nickel in India. Answer is option number D, Odisha is the largest producer of nickel in India. Next question. The Debrigad Wildlife Sanctuary located in which district of Odisha? Debrigad Wildlife Sanctuary is located at Bargarh. Option number B, Bargarh. Next question. Which river is known as Sorrow of Odisha? Which river is known as Sorrow of Odisha? Answer is Mahanadi. Option B, Mahanadi is known as Sorrow of Odisha. Next question. Which river is known as Gupta Ganga of Odisha? Which river is known as Gupta Ganga of Odisha? Answer is option number C, Baitarani. Baitarani is known as Gupta Ganga of Odisha. Next question. Which of the following hill of Odisha the river Budhabalanga has been originated? Which of the following hill of Odisha the Budhabalanga has been originated? Budhabalanga river originated from option number C, Similipal Hill. Option number C, Similipal Hill. Next question. The Solal project is on the river. The Solal project is on the river. Answer is option number A, Chenab River. The Solal project is on the Chenab River. Next question. The state having largest area of forest in India is? The state having the largest area of forest cover in India, largest area of forest. Answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh having the largest area in forest. Next question. What is the predominant type of Indian agriculture? What is the predominant type of Indian agriculture? Answer is subsistence agriculture. Option number D, subsistence agriculture, predominant type agriculture. Next question. The Red Cliff Line. The Red Cliff Line is a boundary between. The Red Cliff Line is a boundary between. Answer is India and Pakistan. Red Cliff Line. The boundary between India and Pakistan is known as Red Cliff Line. Next question. The first oil refinery in India was established at. The first oil refinery in India was established at. Answer is Digboi, Assam. Option number B, Digboi, Assam. Next question. The deepest port in India. The deepest port in India. Answer is option number A, Visakhapatnam. Option number A, Visakhapatnam is the deepest port in India. Next question. Maximum jute mills are located in which among the following states? Maximum jute mills are located in which among the following states? Answer is West Bengal. Option number A, West Bengal, having the maximum number of jute mills. Pagladia Dam project. Pagladia Dam project is located in which state? Pagladia Dam project is located on which state? Answer is Assam. Pagladia Dam project, Assam. Next question. Who was the first Indian to go in space? Who was the first Indian to go in space? Answer is Rakesh Sharma. Option number C. Rakesh Sharma is the first Indian to go space. The percentage of irrigated land in India is about. The percentage of irrigated land in India is about. Answer is 45. Answer is 45. Approximate 45. 48.8% land, irrigated land. Irrigated land. 51.2% agricultural land. Next. Highest agricultural land, Punjab. Punjab and Haryana, highest agricultural land and highest. Next question. Coal is an example of. Coal is an example of. Answer is option number B, sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Coal is an example of sedimentary rocks. The type of crop. The type of crop which able to fix nitrogen from air. The type of crop which able to fix nitrogen from air. Answer is option number A, legume plant. Legume type crop is fix nitrogen in the plant. Next question. In India, the most important source of energy is. In India, the most important source of energy is. Answer is coal. Option number B, coal is the most important of energy. Next question. The largest area under plantation in India is. Largest area under plantation in India. Answer is option number D, Assam. Largest area under plantation. Right answer is Assam. Jute fiber are originated from. Jute fiber are originated from option B. Option B, stem. Jute are originated from stem. Next question. India conducted its first nuclear explosion at. India conducted its first nuclear explosion at. Answer is Pokhran. Option B, Pokhran. First nuclear explosion, Pokhran. The airport of Mumbai is called. The airport of Mumbai is called. Answer is Sahar. Option B, Sahar. Mumbai airport is called Sahar. Next question. Where was the first cotton mill set up in India? Where was the first cotton mill set up in India? First cotton mill set up in Kolkata. Option D, Kolkata is the first cotton mill set up. Next question. Where was India's first rocket launching station set up? Where was India's first rocket launching station set up? Answer is option number C, Thumba. Option number C, Thumba, Tiruvananthapuram. Launching vehicle C1. Launching vehicle C1. Next question. Tobacco was introduced into India by the Portuguese. Option number B, Portuguese is the right answer. Tobacco was introduced by Portuguese in India after 1498. Vasco da Gama discovery of India. Tobacco was introduced after 1498. Next. The Satpura thermal power station is in. The Satpura thermal power station is in. Answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Satpura thermal power station. The first nuclear reactor of India is. The first nuclear reactor of India is. Answer is option number B, Apsara. First nuclear reactor of India. Next question. Which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India? Which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India? Answer is Krishna Godavari Delta region. Option number B, Krishna Godavari Delta region. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.